PPP funding. Is PPP over? Did it get extended? What's the latest updates? My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course, you guys gotta like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. I know it's been a while since we actually talked about these PPP loans, but trust me, guys, we're gonna get right back into this, whether it's these loans, tax season is right around the corner. Also, we're gonna be talking about TurboTax, taxes, stimulus checks, all that good stuff, right? So we will get right back into this. I know last year was a big year for us. We talked about a lot of stuff that was going on, and it's crazy to even think that this was a year ago, people. This was a year ago, people. And we're still dealing with this, So, like I said, we talked about this stuff last year with the PPP. Now I got a little timeline for you guys. I'm going to try to get through this. You guys sent me a screenshot. But basically, when you guys, a member of my channel, have been waiting 18 months for a PPP loan. 18 months. I don't know the results. We're about to read these. We're about to actually read it and see. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let me know if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns in the comment section as well. You guys already know I will bring this content to you guys each and every day. Giveaway at the end of the month. So if there's anything you guys want, let me know in the comment section, whether you guys got Cash Apps or PayPal, and we're gonna work it out. But yeah, let's get right to this because I know this is pretty long, right? So we'll get right to this, right? Help. I was approved for $150,000 SBA loan on 6/18/2020. 19 months ago, I was approved more than that, but only applied for $150K, but never got funded. I emailed SBA asking for increase, hoping to get the full amount on approval. It was less than. 500K got declined for the increase, and first email I got. Okay, the first email that I got. All right. So 8/20/20. First loan officer contact through email asking the tax docs ID. Okay, avoided check. 11/20. CSR said the funds were released and were sent back to the SBA. 11/20 again. I sent follow-up email. SBA answered, a review of your file shows that your fund request is being processed. We do not have a time frame for disbursement, but suggest you check your bank periodically for the deposit or rejection thereof. If your bank info is incorrect or need changes, a link will be resent to invite you back to your portal account to revalidate your bank info when it's available. 12/20/20, got an email from New Low asking for the same docs again. 2 days after seeing the docs, she said she got transferred to another department and was no longer have access to my application. Also, this time I left the country to get the surgery I needed from the country where I was originally from. Okay. CSR and asked about 3502. She said they did not need it, so I ignored it. 5/20/21, not hearing back from SBA, so I decided to click disaster loan application again and got declined. June to November, still out of the country. CSR says application still in process. Thinking of choking her out. Okay. December 2021. We are back home finally, called CSR. Same answer. Blah, blah, blah. Found this Reddit thread, called my local SBA office. She advised me to resend the 456T and changed 11/20 and 11/20S and put managing member instead on the title. We find out that they haven't uploaded those voided checks, and my portal last update was April 2021. Almost end of the month. Since we have not received the EIDL loan yet, we have not had the opportunity to ask for an increase since this has been delayed for so long. Sorry this post has to be this long. I finally seek help from my Congress and Senator. One of them responded. I hope to get an answer maybe next week. We will see. By the way, I signed up for Cobweb. First time I heard from this thread. As well, it's only showing our PPP loan on the list. But on 1/18/2022, it's showing the EIDL loan. And it has current dispersed 150K, undispersed 149K plus. SBA has not updated the business bank account information so that we can receive our funds. We have supplied all documents SBA has asked for, just don't know what else to do. Somebody commented and said, did SBA send the funds and your bank rejected it? You mentioned occurs after rejection. No, they did not. Called CSR 11/20/20 said it was dispersed, but funds were returned because of the account information failed validation. We filed for 2019. So, okay. All right. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to just keep this up if you guys actually want to read some of these comments. I know a lot of you guys were asking me about these PPP loans. Yes, people are still waiting on these loans. Like, it's a fact now that people are still waiting on these loans, but it's also, let's let it be known that not everybody has been funded, and so they're still working on it. I'm not too sure about what's holding, why did this take 18 months? Why is it still taking 18 months, a year and a half? And like I said, people are still dealing with this a year and a half later, and at this point, is it, I'm gonna say, is it worth it? But like, should you still be trying to wait for it? Or, sometimes, I don't know. It's just a sticky situation. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel. As always, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Like I always say, I really do appreciate you guys. You guys always, showing love, commenting, liking, doing all that good stuff. So StockX shipping, the processing time, items still waiting, carrier pickup. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course, you guys gotta like and subscribe. Today's video, we are gonna be talking about StockX. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ordered from StockX. Also, let me know if you're still waiting. Exactly what's going on. Now, I will try my best to actually help you guys and put you guys in the right direction. As always, I know lots and lots and lots of people always ask me questions regarding StockX. So, of course, I'll go ahead and get that, get those questions answered, right? Definitely get those questions answered. And just give me one moment here as I get this screenshot up. If you guys got questions or, want to ask me any other questions, you can drop them below. Some people as well tend to follow me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram up and they'll actually DM me on Instagram, so it's a case by case basis where I actually try my best to actually like I said, respond back to everybody. The rare Rick and Morty right there. You just gotta pretty much wait it out, and I totally understand having to wait 5 days, 10 days, 20 days. But it's just, at the end of the day, it's only going to benefit you just to be patient, and everybody's going through that. So you're not the only one. So hopefully, just don't look at it like that, and just look at it like everybody's going through this. Everybody's